We are just visiting a company called Genos, which is a typical success story of entrepreneurship and higher education and principal basic research. This is a good example of entrepreneurship, what we need more in Europe. The company has got some support from the EU for the research program, or many of the research programs, and now it's growing very fast. I do hope that this example will encourage all the other entrepreneurs here in Croatia and more widely in Europe to take the opportunity of EU funds, also the new investment plan which will provide more risk lending equity investment to small and medium-sized companies.